Hello Mabamba Ka Sang Tan Siang. Welcome to another Cleaning the Fish episode. How to scale, gut and clean fish. 1. Prepare the cleaning area. Appropriately gather all equipment and protect surfaces. 2. Lay fish down on cutting board. 3. Hold fish tail. 4. Using the scaler or knife, run it up and down the fish body using small back and forward motion. 5. Repeat on the other side. This should lift all the scales off. 6. Clean the inside, pull out the gills. 7. Wash fish thoroughly on both sides. 8. Repeat the process one fish at a time. I clean 6 catamac fish, 1 polahan fish and 1 guttob fish. Don't forget to like, subscribe and press bell all for the notifications from Sang Tan Siang. Comment down your style on how to clean fish. What dish to cook using all this fish? Comment down your ideas. According to our neighbor Kamei, who is the seller of the fish, it was the daily catch of his papa-in-law Tony and her husband Biboy. They went to sea at dawn, and after they catch fishes. Enough from their prepare bait. They head home with hearts filled with content, for they catch enough surpass their budgeted bait. The pricing is based on their budgeted bait, no weighing whatsoever. Meta lang po, may I know if it is 1 kilo less or more?